Today, we'll automate PDF file generation in Excel using ChatGPT. We have payroll data in one sheet and a payslip format in another. Our goal is to automate the process to generate and save individual payslips as PDFs for each employee. Let's get started. First, we'll use XLOOKUP to fetch payroll data into the payslip format based on the employee ID. Use XLOOKUP for all the fields in your payslip format. Now, our payslip is dynamically linked to the payroll sheet. Changing the employee ID updates the payslip automatically. Next, go to the Insert tab and draw a rectangle and change the color as your choice. We'll use this as the background of User Panel. Draw another rectangle on and change the color. Double-click on the object name to rename it and change the name to Path. Now draw 3 more rectangles. This will act as our button to run the VBA script. Name each button according to its function. Then, align the text to the center for a clean look. Our user panel is now ready. Next, we'll create macros using ChatGPT to automate the process. We need 3 VBA codes for this task. A code to open a folder selector and copy the selected path to the shape named Path. Second code to open the saved file location, and third code to identify all unique employee IDs from the payroll sheet. Copy them one by one into the payslip sheet and save each payslip as a PDF in the specified folder. Now let's generate the VBA code for the folder selector using ChatGPT. Give the prompt to generate the code. Copy the code and go to your Excel file. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Click on Insert, then select Module. Paste the code, then press Alt plus Q to close the editor. Next, click on the Shape button, select Assign Macro, choose the macro, and click OK. Now click the button. This will open the folder selector. Choose a folder and click OK. The selected path will be saved to the shape. Next, we'll generate the second macro to open the file location. Copy the provided VBA code and paste it into the VBA editor. Assign this macro to the specific button by right-clicking the shape, selecting Assign Macro, and choosing the macro. Finally, test the code by clicking the button to ensure it opens the file location. Now let's generate the VBA for the third button, which will create payslips for each employee. Copy the provided VBA code and paste it into the VBA editor. Assign the macro to the button by right-clicking the shape, selecting Assign Macro, and choosing the macro. Finally, click the button and watch the magic, as within a few seconds, PDF files for each employee will be generated. After finishing the process, click on the Open Folder button to locate your files. And here we go. You can see all the individual PDF payslips generated for each employee. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips. Happy automating!